Namaste friends, welcome back to 8th video lesson on generalizing. In the last video lesson, we discussed about very important journal entries which are very critical, where students used to make mistakes in writing journal entries. Almost all we discussed 12 journal entries with examples, particularly cash transaction, credit transaction, then different types of goods transactions, and how to use purchase account, how to use sales account, then how to then we discussed about what is the difference in purchase of fixed assets and purchase of goods, and sale of fixed assets and sale of goods. By that, you know that by that lesson, you know that purchase account is only for the purchase of goods, sales account is used only for the purchase for the sale of goods. Whenever fixed assets are purchased, fixed assets account is debited. Whenever fixed assets are sold, fixed assets account is created. That common errors in generalizing. Then we discussed about how to use capital account, how to use drawings account, and why capital account is created, why drawings account is debited. We discussed, very well. Whenever owner invests something in the business, capital account is created. Whenever owner withdraws from the business, very well, drawings account is debited. So these two accounts, capital account and drawings account, represent owners accounts in the organization. Then we discussed about nominal accounts with persons. Whenever nominal accounts are given with persons, like salary paid to Rahim means salary account debtor to cash account. Rahim account is immaterial. These are the very, very important critical entries where students used to make very good number of mistakes were discussed, and I get very good feedback from the students, and they are very happy. And now in the process of familiarizing uh, easy way of writing journal entries, in this video lesson I have given 16, I think 24 examples, and every example is every transaction is explained in crystal clear nature. Okay, once we start screen sharing. So problems and solutions in journal entries, and I'm Shyam Prasad, very well, working in Tara Government College, Sangareddy. So by the end of this video lesson, you are going to know about what is the easy way of writing journal entries. You know very well. What is the easy way? I am telling the first point in writing journal entries is every transaction is referred in terms of an accountant, that is business point of view, is very important. That is every transaction is prefixed with V. The subject of every transaction is V. Sold goods means we sold goods. Purchased goods means we purchased goods. Paid salaries means we paid salaries. And every transaction subject is V. Then only this is the first point in writing journal entries easily. The second point is identifying the two accounts in every transaction. And the third point is what are the debit and what is the credit according to golden rules of accounting. And finally, writing a brief narration. And I've explained a problem with almost all 24 transactions of a sole trader. Let us discuss one by one. So write journal entries for the following transactions of Ram, a sole trader. So 1/1/2020, Rahul commenced business with rupees 1 lakh. Rahul started his business with rupees 1 lakh. Rahul started business with rupees 1 lakh. I take laser pointer. So Rahul started business with rupees 1 lakh. So here, this transaction is, it will take some time to understand. So because of business entity concept, owner and business are separate. Business and owner are separate and distinct from each other. Whenever Rahul started business means he giving 1 lakh to the business, and he is a third party to the business. That means for business is getting rupees 1 lakh, and it is the giver is Rahul. That means cash is coming in, 1 lakh is debited, and giver Rahul account is created. So that you have to understand what are the two accounts here. uh, because of business entity concept, when Rahul started business, business will become an artificial person, and business has got its own entity, and Rahul is only third party. That is, he is only giver. Is only giver. Is investing money in the business. That's why that you have to understand. So cash is coming in. So cash account is debited, and instead of Rahul account, Rahul capital account is created. You know very well. Whenever owner invests in the business, capital account is created. That's why cash account debtor to capital account. Capital account is alias name of Rahul. That's why you know very well. Capital account is known to be personal account. Capital account is personal account. You know very well. All of you know very well. So this is very important transaction to understand. Usually students may not grasp the concept behind this transaction. So when Rahul commercial business means he is separate from the when he starts the business, and he will be separated from the business. That's why cash is coming into business, and the giver is Rahul. So cash is coming in, cash account is debited. Rahul account is created instead of his name. Capital account is created. Cash account to capital account being business started. Whenever business started anywhere, simply the entry is cash account to capital account. Purchased goods, already you know very well. Whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited. When goods coming in, goods account is debited in the name of purchase account, and cash is going out, cash account is created. So purchase account to cash account being goods purchased. So very important point you have to remember here. Whenever goods bought, goods purchased, purchase account is debited, not goods account. So goods coming in, purchase account is debited, cash going out, cash account is created being goods bought. Opened bank account with Union Bank of India 1,000. We opened bank account with Union Bank of India. That means cash is going out, so cash account is created, and the receiver is Union Bank of India. Union Bank of India is account is created. So we opened a bank account with Union Bank of India. That means cash is going to bank. So from us, cash is going, cash is created, and the receiver is Union Bank of India. So the personal account is debited. Union Bank of India account debtor to cash account being cash deposited in Union Bank of India. Sold goods. Who sold goods? We sold goods. Who sold goods? We sold goods. We sold goods means cash is coming in, cash account is debited. You know very well, whenever goods sold, sales account is created. Sales account is exclusively used only for the purpose of whenever goods sold, sales account is created. Whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited. Whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited. Whenever goods sold, sales account is created. So purchase account, sales accounts are used only for purchase of goods and sale of goods only. That's you have to remember. These are the four entries regarding Ram, a sole trader. Next, purchased goods from Shiva. So you know very well, this is a great transaction. Whenever there is a personal name is there automatically. That is called great transaction. So whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited. Purchase account is debited because Shiva is giver. Shiva is giver. You know very well, create the giver. So Shiva account is created. Purchase account debtor to Shiva account. Purchases, nothing in what purchases, that nothing is mentioned means we purchase goods. We purchase goods. When we purchase goods, you know very well, obviously purchase account is debited and cash is going out, cash account is created. Purchases means purchase of goods, purchase account to cash account. Purchase of furniture, purchase of furniture. So here you have to know, whenever fixed assets are purchased, purchase account, usually students make a mistake here. Whenever fixed assets purchase, they use purchase account, that is wrong. But instead of so we got furniture, furniture is coming in, furniture account is debited, and cash is going out, cash account is created. That's why furniture account to cash account. So here the mistake committed by the students is purchase account they use whenever they see purchase. That is the wrong. But we should not use purchase account with reference to purchase of fixed assets. That is very important point. Purchase of machine from Sacha. Here also machine purchased. No, don't use purchase account. Machine means a fixed asset. So machine account is debited. Machine account is debited. But whenever there is a personal account, this is used to be credit transaction. So the giver, that is the giver is such a account is created. Machine account data to such a account. Machine account data to such a account. Being machine purchased on credit. So by this for it is what you know. Purchase account is debited whenever goods purchased, whenever furniture, machine like fixed assets purchased, that fixed assets account is debited. Fixed assets account is debited whenever purchase of fixed assets is there. When goods are purchased, sorry, purchase account is debited. That is very important point. Next, sale of goods, and I know very well, whenever goods sold, sales account is created. Goods sold, sales account is created. So when we sell goods, cash is coming in, cash account is debited, and sales account obviously created. Cash account to sales account being goods sold. Sales, nothing is mentioned means goods sold by us. So cash is coming in, cash account is debited, and whenever goods sold, sales account is created. Cash account to sales account being goods sold. Sale of furniture, sale of old furniture for rupees 1,000. So you have to remember once again here, when goods sold only sales account is created. When fixed assets are sold, fixed asset account is created. That's why furniture account is created. When we sold furniture, that is cash is coming in, cash account is debited, and furniture is going out, furniture account is created. Cash account to furniture account, cash account to furniture. Next, machine sold to Navya. Here also machine sold. So machine, whenever machine and fixed assets are sold, they are going out, machine account is created. But this is great transaction. Whenever a transaction coming with a personal account, that deemed to be a great transaction. So machine is going out, machine account is created, and the receiver is Navya. Navya account is debited, Navya account is debited, Navya account to machine account. So by these four, what you have to understand, sales account only used when goods are sold. So here sales account is created. Here sales account is created because first two are only for sales. Only for sale of goods. Next two are sale of old furniture, sale of machine. Furniture, when furniture is sold, furniture going out, so furniture account is created. When machine is going out, machine account is created. That is very important. You have to learn from this journal entry. Next, this problem, this is illustration is about. So there is a mistake in this illustration. Fourth illustration. Fourth illustration is about, you know very well, you see here, this is about a person, this is about, once again I will see, laser pointer. So this is about nominal, this is about nominal accounts. So paid for flexi banner, that means we made a flexi banner, that is expenditure. Flexi banner account is debited and a cash is going out, cash account is created. Flexi banner account to cash account being paid for banner. Rent paid to Lakshmi, we paid rent, cash is going out, cash account is created. Rent is expenditure, rent account is debited. You know, Lakshmi account is immaterial. You know, very important point here. Whenever nominal accounts given with personal accounts are ignored. No need to consider Lakshmi account here because Lakshmi, we paid rent. Lakshmi is not at all required here. Rent account to cash account. Rent account to cash account. Salaries, rent, rates, taxes, when personal accounts need not be considered. That is the important point you have to remember here. Received commission from Naveen. So cash is coming in, cash account is debited, and the commission is income account is created, income account is created. Naveen is immaterial here. Naveen is immaterial because whenever a personal account is given with expenses or incomes, that personal account is immaterial, that personal account is ignored, simply leave Naveen. So cash is coming in, cash account is debited, commission is income account is created. Stationery purchased, once again, purchase account, people, students make mistake here, but stationery means expenditure. Stationery account is expenditure is debited, cash is going out, cash account is created. So by this illustration, what you have to understand, so whenever expenses are given, the expense account, here flexi banner account is debited, here rent account is debited, here stationery account is debited, expenditures are debited, and incomes, commission is credited, that is important. So expenses are debited in first case, second case, fourth case. All flexi banner, rent, stationery account is debited. In third case, commission received means commission income account is created, and you have to know that the Lakshmi account, Naveen account is not used here, because whenever personal accounts are given with nominal accounts, personal accounts are ignored. That is the important point to learn from this illustration. Next, word journal entries for the farm. So machinery purchased, already you know, whenever machine fixed asset purchased, that fixed asset account is debited. Machinery coming in, machinery is debited, and cash is going out, cash account is debited. You have to don't forget that every transaction we purchased machine, we paid cash to Akbar, we received cash from Anthony, we purchased goods. That you have to remember. That's important point you have to remember. Machinery purchase. We purchased machinery means. Machinery is coming in and cash is going out. So machinery debit, what is coming in debit, what is going out is credit. So machinery account to cash account. Cash paid to Akbar, cash paid to Akbar. We paid cash to Akbar, cash is going out, cash account is credited. Akbar is receiver, Akbar account is debited. Akbar account to cash account being cash paid to Akbar. Cash received from Anthony. So we received cash from Anthony. So cash is coming in, cash account is debited, cash account is debited. And who is giver? Who is giving us? Anthony is giving. Anthony account is credited. Anthony account is credited. Cash account to Anthony accounts. Goods purchased. You know very well. Whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited, because goods coming in means purchase account is debited, and cash is going out. Cash account is credited. This is about. This is about journal entries regarding fifth illustration. Now, sixth illustration. Write journal entries for the foreign transaction of RAM. So furniture brought into the business, proprietor brought into the business. So that is 10,000. So you know very well, whenever proprietor brought anything, whenever proprietor invests, that is cash or furniture, you know very well. So whenever capital account is created, that important point to remember by the sixth illustration. So furniture brought into business by the proprietor, you know very well. Proprietor is separate from the business. He is giving furniture to us. Is owner giving furniture to the business. Furniture is coming in. Furniture account is debited. Furniture account is debited. Who is giver? Ram. Ram is giver. Ram account is created. So what is the Ram name here in the organization? Capital account. Ram, alias name of Ram. Owner name is capital account. So Ram is giver. Giver account is created. Sometimes you may write Ram capital account also writes. So because Ram account is created, capital account is created. So furniture is coming in, furniture account is debited. So the giver Ram is created with the alias name capital account. That's why capital account is personal account. So furniture brought into the business by the proprietor means so furniture coming in, furniture debited, and giver Ram capital account is created. Ram capital account is created, being furniture bought. Goods bought into the business with proprietor. Proprietor bought goods, given goods to the business. So whenever goods coming in, you know very well, purchase account is due to purchase account is debited. The giver Ram is created. Ram is created. In the name of Ram is a Ram capital account. So when goods coming in, purchase account is debited, you know very well. Whenever owner gives anything, his capital account is created. His capital account is created. That is purchase account to Ram capital account. Purchase account to Ram capital account being being goods supplied by the proprietor. Proprietor withdrew cash for personal use. So from business he has taken away cash. Cash is going out. Cash account is created. Cash account is created. You know very well. Whenever owner gives, capital account is created in first instance and second instance. Whenever owner gives, his capital account is created. Whenever owner takes away, drawings account is debited. Drawings account means Ram drawings account. So you know very well, the owner has two accounts. Whenever he gives, a capital account is created. Whenever he takes away from the business, a drawings account is debited. Drawings account to cash account. Drawings account to cash account. He is taking away cash. Insurance premium proprietor Ram paid from the business. Insurance premium paid by the Ram from business. That means cash is going out. Cash account is created, and he is using for he is taking away money for personal. That means drawings account is debited, and cash account is created. Insurance premium is immaterial here. He is taken away 5,000 rupees from the business. Whatever may be the, he has taken away 5,000 from the business. Cash is going out. And who is the receiver? Ram. Who is the receiver? Ram. Ram is the receiver. So what is the Ram account? Whenever he receives, takes away from the business, his receiver means drawings account is debited. So whenever owner gives, giver account, capital account is created. Whenever Rama receives, receiver account is debited. Drawings account is debited. That's why you have to understand. Owner has got two accounts in the business. One is capital account, another is drawings account. So he invested furniture, capital account is created. He invested goods, capital account is created. He taken away 1,000 rupees. Drawings account is debited. He has taken away 5,000 rupees. Drawings account is debited. So drawings account and capital accounts are personal accounts which represent the owner name. Owner invests, owner gives, giver, capital account is created. Owner receives anything, drawings account is debited. That is the point you have to remember. So this is a very good example. And if you once again, one or two times, if you hear this important illustration, no doubt you can understand what we discussed in the previous video lesson, that is sixth video lesson. Whatever we discussed in sixth video lesson, so that is capital account we discussed, how to debit, how to create capital account, how to debit drawings account. The same is explained in the sixth point. That is a very important point. Whatever we discussed in the sixth video lesson about capital account and drawings account, that is once again here illustrated. So why capital account is created, why drawings account is debited? Only because of business entity concept. Owner is separated. That's why whenever he gives, capital account is created. Whenever he receives, a drawings account is debited. This so another how to use purchase account. So whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited. Whenever goods sold, sales account is created. That you have to understand from this fifth example. And fourth example is we discussed regarding nominal accounts with the personal names. Whenever nominal accounts are given with personal accounts are ignored. Here in the second instant, Lakshmi, no need to mention, and third instant, Naveen, no need to mention. Whenever personal accounts are given with the nominal accounts like incomes and expenditure, only incomes and expenditures are recognized, not persons. That is very important point here. So here this illustration is all about the demarcation between sales account and fixed assets account. When goods sold, sales account is created in the first two instances. When fixed assets sold, furniture, machine created in the third and fourth illustrations. This is about purchase account. Whenever goods purchased, purchase account is debited in the first instance and second instance. Purchase account is debited. In third and fourth instance, whenever fixed assets purchased, furniture, machine, furniture account is debited, machine account is debited. By this you have to understand, goods purchased only, purchase account debited, and other furniture, other fixed assets purchased, that fixed assets account is debited. And this is about capital account. Whenever owner starts business, a simple entry is cash account to capital account. That you have to understand by this example. Okay, so that's all from the business from this. So I'm once again I am suggesting to students. So the sixth video lesson is very important. Financial account, sixth. Common errors in generalizing. If you watch that video lesson 3 or 4 times, you understand very important, crucial points, critical points, and generalizing will be very easy if you understand six video lesson, and I got very good feedback from the students regarding six video lesson. So I'm once again repeating: first you watch 3 or 4 times six video lesson, then the seventh video lesson, FA6 seventh video lesson, you go through. It will be very easy for you. Okay, that's all from this today. Okay, stop it.